Hi, I'm Haley.
I was already on.
Hi, I'm Haley.
And I'm Kelsey, and welcome to our crap.
Hi, I'm Haley.
I wouldn't mind having you guys do it all over again, just as a safety.
Did you know moisture?
Oh, jeez.
Yes, it wasn't us this time. Sorry, I was like reading it before because I knew I said at least 50. Okay. At least 50% of this air.
Okay. What's the answer?
Sorry. That was good up until you got to that point. That threw me off a little bit. We're gonna get it this time.
Sorry, I just looked over at that door. Did you know moisture is the invisible enemy that often plagues the crawl space? And
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. So, what's the result?
unhealthier and increased HVAC.
So
I was doing so good. And increased HVAC.
You did it again. You even changed it. That could be our sign off. We were talking about how we need to have like a cool sign off.
Did you know
It's okay.
because damp, exposed dirt.
That was terrible. On a scale of la 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 la. Okay, this is gonna be really good.
You know how like Sharpay does that?
Oh, please.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
High School Musical?
I got. Well, many.
Yeah, you're right.
Well, many.
No, you got this. Just take a deep breath.
Well, now I'm like overthinking it. Hold on.
Many years
Okay. Many years ago, venting was added